And today, Part 2 Descendants came out. Show you my most favorite dolls. When I was little, I loved, and $2 new. What I can today, it's a package. It's going to Meow and Ben. So yep, and I already opened them earlier, and I'm going to see fireworks today. So first we're going to start off with Ben. This is a part 2 Ben. If you look in the comments below if you saw Descendants 2, because I did. Because it's coming out in July, and it's July almost. July was last year, and now it was this year. So we're going to get Ben. So here is the back of his head. Here's the back. See those fancy boots. And here is this shirt. He has this, whatever it is. There's white right there. And this thing, you can pull it and then it comes down. And then right there. Got it from Toys R Us, but you cannot find these dolls because they're in Toys R Us's van. Because I love Part 2 Descendants, so yeah. So they gave me the dolls. And they wanted it. So yeah. So here is this outfit. Has buttons and yep, and here is the pants and a belt. It has their dad on it. Next we'll be showing Mal. Look the beautiful. And here are the shoes. You can it's lots of detail. And here's a look at the back. You can see her braid. And then you can see a mohawk in the back. It's zoop, zoop. So it's right here. The arms are lights, and this little detail right here. And here's a look at the dress. There's the back of the dress. You can see it goes all around. So yep, that's how now looks. And now it's time to get this girl. Here is Belle, the human Belle. Look at that beautiful necklace. And here is a shoe. Has bows on it. And Maleficent, the angry one. If you didn't see Descendants, comment down below. If you did or not see Descendants, comment down below. So, that's Maleficent. She has these horns on her head. Rah, rah. Her eyes are green and purple eyeshadow. And the back of here so bye. That was I lost Evie and another mom. So yeah, bye.